Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri-Luc. Today I will prepare a 100% whole wheat bread. But first I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Like many of my sourdough bread recipes, my bowl recipe includes several ingredient lists depending on the type of bread desired. When making a loaf, I encourage you to try my different ingredient list. You will have different bread and you will add more whole flour to your diet. So it's a go. In my bin, I have 369 gram plain whole wheat bread flour and 7 gram of salt. In my bowl, I have 115 gram of fed sourdough starter and 259 gram of water. We will mix it up. We are going to add the dry ingredients. Now I will use my hands. I will check if there are any lumps. That's fine. So I will wash my hands and then get back to you. I'm ready to transfer my dough in my bin. I'm going to move the bin into my broad and tailor proofer. As you can see, my broad and tailor proofer is at 23 degrees. There is water in these containers, so we are ready. See you in 55 minutes for the first fold stretching. It's time for the first fold and stretch. So we're going to put the dough on the counter. We're going to okay. It's fine. I will put back the bin in the proofer. See you in 45 minutes for the second fold stretch. So we are now at the second fold stretch. The dough is really sticky, so we need to wet our hands. I use all-purpose all wheat flour instead of bread flours. I didn't notice that before, so it's just a little bit more difficult to handle. So I will put it in the proofer. See you in 45 minutes again. It's time for the third fold stretching. So I will wet my hands. That's it. The dough still has 40 minutes proofing time at room temperature. I'm going to put it in the fridge in 40 minutes. I will put it back in the proofer for the last 40 minutes. So I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. We imagine the dough like a square, so we turn every corner into the center. Same thing for the other corner. And this is the pre-shaping. We cover the dough with a cloth. See you in 15 minutes for the shaping. Now it's time for shaping. We will just smooth the dough to tighten the outer membrane. And we will transfer the dough into my floured banton. Okay, the bubble is out. It's time to transfer the Banton into my Broad & Taylor proofer. As we can see, the proofer is set at 23 degrees. So I put some water here in the container. So it's time to put the dough into the Broad & Taylor proofer. We plan about 2 hours of proofing. In 1 hour, I will preheat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to 260 Celsius. So see you in 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and 10 minutes that the dough is in proofing. We will check if the dough is ready by making a depression in the dough with the one finger. It's called the poke test. As we see, it goes up very slowly, so it's ready. We gently transfer the dough by putting our hand underneath to avoid giving the dough a shock. We are going to make 2 scores to form a cross. We're ready to bake the bread. We transfer the dough to the pizza zone. We spray. And we cover the dough with a roasting pan. It's time to remove the roasting pan. Oh, nice, very nice. We continue the baking for 15 other minutes. Now it's time to get the bread out. Oh, it's looked very nice. Very, very nice. This was my 100% all wheat sourdough bread recipe. I hope you like it. If you like this video, you can click the thumbs up. Do not hesitate to leave a comment or to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you again for a new video.